Come test drive the 2017 Cruze. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder, 1.4-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, remote keyless entry, engine immobilizer, front-wheel drive, daytime running lamps. Inside you'll find steering wheel controls, keyless start, cruise control, floor mats, console. The Cruze blueprint calls for more than you'd expect. Immerse yourself in pure bliss as you cruise along, leaving your worries behind.